What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about investing your first $1,000 or any amount you may have available to invest in. We're going to go over growth stocks, value stocks, and dividend stocks. Also, if you watch to the end, you're going to get to see what stocks I personally purchased today, earlier before the stock market closed. Hey, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please, if you haven't done so, subscribe, hit that like button. Let's jump right in, all right? So growth stocks are shares in a company that are anticipated to grow at a rate significantly above the average for the stock market. These growth stocks pretty much don't pay dividends at all. Some examples include Visa, Nike, and Facebook. Value stocks trade at a lower price relative to their fundamentals, such as dividends, earnings, and their sales. Because of this, it makes them a lot more appealing to investors, especially those holding long term. You also have the dividend stocks, my favorite, obviously. Your dividend stocks are companies that pay out regular dividends, either monthly, quarterly, yearly. These stocks are well-established companies with a track record of distributing earnings back to its shareholders, which is you, me, everyone around us that's invested in the stock market. Some really good examples are ExxonMobil, Coca-Cola, BNS, IBM, Microsoft. Some of those, there's a lot more out there. You just really have to do research as to what you want to do. You know, one thing I really want to say is, before you start investing in the stock market, make sure that you're financially able to. And when I say that, I don't mean with all this amount of money just sitting there waiting for you to invest in. I just mean, you know, make sure that if you have a lot of debt, that it's paid down or paid off. That's really important. That needs to come first before anything. Also, you need to invest in yourself. And by investing in yourself, I mean mentally, physically, and emotionally. You need to read, do some research. Don't just constantly look for what other people are doing and asking for other people's advice. Also do some research for yourself. Before picking the type of stocks, and for instance, the three that I just talked about, you really want to sit down and see where you want to go with this portfolio. What's your goal? What's your long-term goal? Are you going to want to be a day trader, a swing trader? Do you want to hold for long-term? You know, that's really good with growth stocks and dividend stocks too. You want to have that passive income, which is my goal every month. So what I'm trying to do is fix my portfolio to where it's not just quarterly and annually that I'm earning my dividends, but it's monthly. You know, you really got to sit down and evaluate and see which stocks are going to be best for you, how much you can invest in. Set a goal and be realistic with your goal. Start small with a pot and then just kind of make it grow and see how that works for you. All right, so now let me go ahead and get into the stocks I'm going to buy. So E-Trade, this account is still pretty new. As you can see, these are the stocks I have right now, and I will be weekly adding more. So I want you guys to you know, follow along, see what I'm adding, ask questions as to why I might be adding those. Another video will be exactly why I'm going for certain stocks. But let's see, I want to add, let's go. If I go to my portfolio, we'll see what I paid last. All right, so for BMO, I really like BMO. The price paid last was $47.60. Total gain $33. Last price right now is $48.93. BNS $37.87. Last price paid $37.86. IBM $122.90. I paid $126.07. So I'm going to add some of those. So let's go over here. All right. I think today I'm going to add 5. We'll do market. Today it's about 613, 122.73, 613. So we'll place order. That was 5. Let's go back. Portfolio. Let's do LYB. And I've really gone up on LYB. I really, really like LYB as well. Let's do some BNS. We'll buy. I'm gonna add 5 of BNS. Let's see. Well, let's see what that is. Market. Good for day. 189. 10. We'll do 10. Okay. So let's preview that and place order. And now go back to accounts, portfolio. Okay, so I got 5 of IBM, 10 of BNS. Let's do BMO. We'll do 10. Now all these right here that I'm purchasing, they're considered value stocks. They pay dividends. And my goal is to, own a lot of stocks that have dividends, that pay out dividends, excuse me. I'd like to really make my portfolio to the point where the stocks pay out the dividends monthly. So let's go back to portfolios. Okay, so that was added. Okay, we just added BMO. BMO. Let me see, there's another one I wanted to look at, RY. Now you're probably wondering, these are all Canadian stocks. Yes, right now these are all Canadian stocks. And I will be adding, Apple, Facebook, and for different reasons. You'll understand why. Let's see. Quarterly dividend, 77 cents. I think my wife wanted me to buy this, so let's go and add this. This will be the last one for today. Let's see, let's do we'll do 10 of these. All right, and that's that. Let's go to complete view. And here we go. BMO, BNS, IBM. Just added this one. Okay. All right, so I literally just purchased these stocks live. You might not be watching this as I purchased them, but can't upload right away. So yeah, we went over growth stocks and value stocks, and how to invest your first $1,000 or just any amount that you may have. Don't be afraid to get your feet wet. Jump right in. That being said, guys, y'all have a good one. Thank you again for watching my channel. Subscribe, please. Smash the like button. I really, really appreciate y'all taking the time to follow me, subscribe, watch my videos. Hey, let me know what you think. Am I doing something wrong? Could I be doing something better? I'm all about constructive criticism. That's how we learn. That's how we do better. That's how we become better people. So I hope you gained some really good information. Y'all take care, and I'll see you on the next video.